Hi, this is a bumper for Mustang GT 2018. We put in an upgrade Cobra bumper. For that reason, we have to take all the panel off the bumper. We get all the black area painted first, and when the black area is completed, we go for the silver and gray. The car looks amazing. It's just like an actual Cobra, and this is how we do it, baby. If you have a special car, if you want to do something like that with a aftermarket bumper, with our fitment and the paint, we can make it looks amazing. That's how we do it at Pars.